Alright guys, welcome back to Project GoodSpeed. Now today's video, we're actually going to head off to the junkyard because I just finished installing all of the trim and all of the black interior. Everything is nice and ready to go. However, we still need to move on to the power door conversion. So I still need to source all of the parts, right? I need the power window motors, the power lock motors, and the frame for the windows, right? Those are different than the manual ones. So I have to find a way to figure out how I'm gonna get all that stuff. So the best way to find that stuff now is to head off to the junkyard. So let's go.
Ooh, another CRV. What do you think the odds there's a table under there? I think I've checked this one before already. Yeah. No table. What the fuck is this? A Saab. Wow. Saab making some really weird stuff, man. That's crazy. Oh, damn. You find the craziest stuff at the junkyard, man. It's a fucking car truck. All right. Okay. We are back at the junkyard looking for some door lock actuators for some Civics. It turns out I only need one. I already have the other one. I need the passenger side. So we'll keep an eye out for Civics and anything else we might find. I cannot believe today's the day. Today's the fucking day, guys. Today's the day I find a fucking table. Look at this. Oh, I can retire now. I'm done. I'm taking this mother... Oh, man. I didn't even come for this. Oh. Does it work? Does it work, you bitch your ass? It works. Look at that. A little dirty. I can fix that. Oh, I didn't even see that little hatchback there. Look at this. Oh, it is gutted. Today is going to be a busy day. Damn. Look at this. Hello. I'm gonna go take that before someone else beats me to it. Not today. All right. Hold on. No fucking way. Look at that. CRV. I'm taking this shit too. Oh, hold on. Tell me this isn't OEM Honda. You know we love OEM Honda stuff here. Shit, I'm taking this shit too. Hell yeah, I'm taking this too. Owner's manual. Look at all this shit. Fucking manual, tools, and repair manual. I've got my table now. I can retire a happy guy. No, I'm just kidding. Table look like shit. See, this is how we lose shit, man. Shitty ass toolkit. Now, there was a Civic here with automatic parts, so hopefully it's still here and we'll be able to get what we need. It's pretty far in though. And it's hot, guys. This is 90 something degrees. Shit. I'm wearing all black again. It's part of the car life. Hides the oil. Yeah. I'm not seeing. There's a CRV there, another CRV there. I've checked those both. Oh, here it is. Yeah, there it is. Civic. And we need this one right here. Door lock actuator. Now, the best part about the junkyard here is a lot of this stuff has already been removed. So I just need to unscrew these 3 bolts here. And they've already removed. Oh no, they haven't. Yeah, they removed the panel here, so I just need to loosen up these door handle cables here so that I can remove that lock actuator down there. Where is it? There. Just gonna unplug this here, and I've loosened up the bolts, so looks like this is only being held on by this metal wire and then that metal wire right there. So to remove the door handle, it's just these two 10 mils. 1, 2. Now we can just push it out. I couldn't take it off, so I just removed the whole lock cylinder. That's much easier. It's just this stupid safety pin that I dropped. Remove this clip and just push it right out. Now I've disconnected it. All that's left is to, let's see if we can get a shot of that. Gotta disconnect that cable there. Although it's not so easy. That's not what you do. It's fine, it's fine. I only need the bottom part. So those, I wonder if I could have just removed that first. Let me see. Would it have been easier to do this? Maybe. Did I have that knowledge? No. Dude, that was so much easier. It's not even clipped onto anything other than those 3 bolts, and then it has just that one little plastic notch there. That basically just locks it right there. Unlocked. Locked. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's not normal. Look at that curve. Also, a lot of broken plastic trim pieces. It's a very easy way to connect it, but it's also very prone to breaking, as we just saw. I suspect this is probably going to be one of the biggest issues with my doors. Managed to remove this and take a look at the motor in here just in case. It's very tough. These bolts are very corroded, but at least I have an idea for my Civic. All right, we got what we needed. Let's get out of here. All right, I got the lock and I got the spare tire cover for the CRV.
Okay, so we managed to get everything from the junkyard back home, and look at the table, man. The table is one of the things I've been looking for because I'm planning on actually modifying the trunk in the Civic again. I made a custom floor back there, but I think I can modify it to make this table OEM into the little hatchback instead of just throwing it in there, you know? But more on that later, because now I actually didn't even see this. Look, this CRV kickstand, right, for the trunk door is in there. I thought it was just the, the tire kit, but I got 2 of those things now. So, and the service manual for anything that goes wrong in my CRV. I already installed the spare tire cover. It does say Honda because it's from a new gen, but it is Honda OEM. So all of this stuff will go, I'll put it away later, but let's move on to the Civic here. So the door lock actuators here are actually, I only needed 1. Because the thing is, the doors in my Civic here are from an EX. I remember, I totally forgot that I got them replaced before I got the paint job because one of the doors had a dent and I managed to get both of these doors for $100. So it turns out one of the doors actually already had a door lock actuator. And I just checked and the other one was missing, which is why this one is needed. So the only thing I need to do now is find the power door, the window motors and the window frames, right? Whatever the window attaches to. So I need to get both of those in the Civic and we can go ahead and do the whole install for the power door conversion. Let me go ahead and just put this stuff away for now because this is going to wrap up the video here. Before I put it away, like I said, my goal is to eventually install the Honda CRV table into the little hatchback here, and thankfully it looks like it might fit with a few upgrades. I think I can make it happen. I already made that bottom piece, so modifying it a bit isn't going to change much, really. It looks like it's off by like 1 inch maybe. Not even really, look. It's pretty spot on to my current design. It'll just need to be modified a little bit. Obviously, we need to, revamp the design for the DIY trunk floor here a little bit. But honestly, I was planning on doing that anyway. Because of this.
This Amazon carpet did not hold up too well. It just looks like shit. Look, and even if I clean this off, it's just gonna keep happening. And it just looks ugly, man. And I'll probably raise it up a little so I can make better use of my little trays here. And they might actually become wider up, more useful up here than just down there. So we'll see. And I might actually get rid of the spare tire. Honestly, I've had this for years and I've never used it. This is a brand new one. I'm not saying I'm not going to use it. It's just I don't think I'll use it all the time. That's it. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to move on to the power door conversion. I have to settle a few things with my doors. Look at that. For some reason, this door is crooked. This one perfectly fine. I'm not even touching it. I can put it here. I can put it way out there. Not a problem. This one. Yep, moving on. Then move on to the locks, then the windows, and then the mirrors, and then maybe any problems that come out from there, because my videos never end up doing so well in terms of working on the first try, but you never know. So until next time, take care and good speed.